How to fix Windows Update error code 0x800f0922 in Windows 10. In this video I will show you two method. I hope it will fix your problem. First, open Service. Right-click on App Readiness Service. Click on Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Now click on Start the service. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Turn Windows feature on or off. Select all .NET Framework and press OK. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.